I can admit when I make mistakes, and I screwed up the threads on the end of this axle a couple weeks ago when I was trying to remove it from the wheel hubs on my E36 M3 trailing arms. Now, you know, like I said, I bought an entire E36 M3 rear end. That includes the axles, trailing arms, the whole thing. Now, the fitment on these hubs between the splines on the axle and the hub itself, it's a pretty tight fit. It's almost, I wouldn't call it a press fit, but it's pretty close to it. I mean, if I were to force this on enough, I would struggle to get it off. And you know, when I went to go remove these initially, you know, I tried to go the hammer out, and like an idiot, I didn't make sure that the axle nut was properly threaded on. So when I hit it with a hammer, it messed up the threads on this axle. And this is an E36 M3 axle, which used are expensive and new are also expensive. So I was left with one option to repair it. The threads on this are M27 by 1.5, and so here we have a very large M27 by 1.5 rethread die. Now the funny thing is, no special tool is made for this. It's a 50mm hex, which, you know, you can use a 50mm socket, I guess, but there isn't like a die wrench or something that fits this. So, you know, we're gonna go ahead and rethread this guy, or fix the threads, or hopefully fix the threads. So my special tool for this is going to be a very large Knipix Cobra plier. All right, so did clean up those threads pretty good, as you can see. Fortunately, these weren't too damaged, but a couple of these threads were pushed down a little bit. There would have been no way to thread an axle nut on, well, at least easily. And so the test for tonight on this is, can we thread a new axle nut on it? And we can. Threads very nicely, especially in the meat of that shaft right there. It's not binding, there's no resistance, so we're gonna go ahead and call that a fix. So like I said, this particular issue was my fault because I tried to, well, force these axles out. I knew that they were a pretty tight fit. I ended up using a 12-ton gear puller to pop these axles out. That was barely enough to do it. So, you know, these are just a very precise fitting axle in these hubs. Even a new hub, it's the same. You know, I don't really know what the purpose of the design is. Some of these BMW axles, they slip right in, slip right out, no problem. But at least on the E36 M3 and even the stock 328 axles, I've had a similar problem with. But now that I have that gear puller, 12 tons doesn't get it out, then I don't know what will. So that's it tonight. Like I said, M27 by 1.5 for this thread size. The other common BMW axle thread size is M24 by 1.5. This was a pretty expensive die. I think I paid about 30 bucks for it. But 30 bucks for the die is much better than 200 plus for a used axle, or even 400 plus for a new reman axle. For BMW, would never run an aftermarket axle shaft. Plus, I don't think they make them anyway. Probably going to reboot these axles, so I'll have a video coming out on that in a little bit. But I do hope you learned something. And if you have any questions or comments, leave it in the box below. I'll link this die in the description below as well, just in case you happen to need it. But other than that, like I said, I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll see you for the next one.